Hello my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you 5 ways that will help you free space of your computer.
So when we are downloading some file to our computer, there will be remain some temporary file and unnecessary file. Consistive otherwise we cannot delete because we are not conscious whether these file are temporary or unnecessary file. So file methodology that I am going to tell you today will help you to free up free space of your computer. So first of all, I will show you now in my computer what kind of space is there. So remember now in my computer 100 GB is free space is available. So somehow after the using this file method, you will see how useful this file method to improve our space, free space of our computer. So first method is go to start and type down the store range. So you can see here, wait a minute, they are collecting temporary file. For a long time I haven't delete my temporary file. So and also I update my Windows 8 into Windows 11. So there can be so many temporary file. This will take some time. Okay. Now you can see here are some temporary file. You can delete those things. Okay. Click that and temporary file will be removing. 111 MBs will be released. This is scanning now temporary file. Wait for a moment. It will take some time. You can see there are some temporary file downloading. I think it is taking some time because for a long time I haven't delete temporary file. That's why. Maybe if you haven't delete any temporary file for a long time, this will take uh, long time. And also you can see how many temporary files are there because normally I update Windows 8 to Windows 11. So previous window installing has taken 10 GB. Okay. We can also delete those files. They are not unnecessary. They are not necessary file. Then select the all file. You can delete and remove. removing all file. You see there in my file there was 100 GB. After using this file method, we will see how many space are there. Sometimes this temporary file will cause to reduce the efficiency of your machine, and also it will affect on your day-to-day work. So this will take some time. We have to wait because 10 GB file is removing from the machine. But we don't know, even I don't know this kind of temporary file is remaining in my computer. So please wait for the deleting file is collecting the previous Windows file. Actually, normally each and everyone who are using Windows, they just normally delete the temporary file or some other small file, but it will never help you to improve your free space of your computer. Now you see all the file is deleted. So that is the first method. So now we go to the second method. Then go to the again PC, computer this PC, and go to C version, and there is a Windows. Go to the Windows folder. In the inside of the Windows folder, there is a file called software distribution. Find out that file. You can see this here. This is the file software distribution. Go to the inside of the file, and these file are unnecessary file. Some temporary file. Select all. Don't delete. Right click and delete. That will go to the again recycle bin. Then Control A and Shift plus delete. Okay. Then you can permanently delete all the file. Some file will not be deleted. Don't worry about that. Delete. All file are deleted. Now it is okay. Then this is the second method. Third one is commonly you all know about this method. Go to the start and type down the run command and open it. Type here fetch, F-E-T-C-H, fetch. Then there can be seen some unnecessary file. Look at here. So select all and shift plus delete. Then you can permanently delete. Are you sure you want to permanently delete 423 items? Yes. Okay. That is the third method. And the fourth method is normally you all know about that. Type down the run again. Run. Type there temp, T-E-M-P, temp, and enter. And also this folder also must be clear. Shift Control A and Shift delete. Permanently you can delete all the file. Some file will not be deleted, so please skip those files. The last method is the last, but next method is go to the start and type down run, and also the same method, but it's different folder. Shift percentage sign and TEMP percentage sign. Okay. There also can be seen wide range of temporary files. Then Control A, select all, and Shift plus delete. You can completely delete. Some file will not be deleted. Don't care about that. Okay. Because sometimes this file are using for the current context, it can be happen. Some file cannot be deleted. It's okay. And the last one is you know that go to this PC and write down the C partition. Go to properties, and there you can see command here, this cleanup, and you can see here some files are there. You can select those files this manner. Okay, and select all file and press OK. Then you can delete all unnecessary file in C drive. It also takes some time. It's okay. Now it's okay. You can also delete this partition, also this cleanup. In somehow using this method, at the outset we see in my computer there was 100 GB free space, but now you can see here how much it has increased. You can see here. So using this method, you also can increase your free space and unnecessary file which take place in because of the downloading or updating. It's occur because of wide range of activities that we are doing through the internet or installing softwares. Those factors affect on making a temporary file. So those files are not necessary. Then please clear your windows. So I think that is the last one. you see that all work well, and also this ways you can also clean your computer. Mm, so we will be back to you with the next video. So like, comment and subscribe Technology World in YouTube. See you in next video.